Hey team, in this video we will be analyzing and forecasting the market for gold from a technical and fundamental perspective for 11 and 12 January. So coming on to the charts, we are currently on in one hourly chart, and here what we can see is a steep sell off. Here we can see the market did show us a bullish momentum. However, after testing this particular resistance of some around 1854, we did see a steep sell off, and currently we can see that the market is in sale on moon. So the market is currently trading somewhere around 1829. First, coming on to the fundamentals, as we are more bullish for the market, so the fundamentals will support our this bullish momentum. So first, coming on to the fundamentals, so the gold lost over 4% on January 8th. The precious metal has made a swing widely since the start of 2021, first exploding to an high of 1958 before a drop till 1829, currently where the market is trading. So according to the head of commodity strategy at TD Securities, Malik, gives that the vaccine programs in the US and throughout many parts of the world are very much behind the schedule, and the pandemic is raging. Economic conditions will remain weak rather or without the concerns the vaccine is provided or not. However, the economic conditions of US would remain weak for a long term. This suggests that the yield will not move as high as some gold traders seems to be betting, which means or which would be a good news for the gold prices or the traders who are more bullish for the gold, as in coming days or in coming weeks we would see a bullish momentum upwards. So the drives that hit the gold the hardest, including a steeper yield curve, technical sailing, higher yield, nominal and real. The former, the US may not continue to trend in an upwards direction for much longer. It is suggest, according to me and according to technical and fundamental, it is suggest that after reaching a near of some around 1820, the gold may be ready for a bounce higher. The experts advise that the traders needs to keep an eye on the prevailing economic activities and vaccine programs. Furthermore, Joe Biden's ability to sell a higher aggressive stimulus agenda as a drive for the market for the gold. It is highly likely that the gold will still be a material upwards with targeting 2000 after the news released by Democrats for increasing the stimulus packages. So we shouldn't be currently sailing for the gold. However, we would be adding up longs at this particular low prices for the gold, as the Joe Biden came into the power, would announce a stimulus package, and that would act as a catalyst, or increase the stimulus packages that would act as a catalyst for the gold, and we can see that the market for the prices for the gold would skyrocket, and we can particularly see that the market would be taking resistance in some around 1972. So now coming on to the current opportunities, they are both bullish and bearish, as no one knows where the market goes. However, break through the support and resistance would indicate whether we are seeing a bullish momentum entering in the market or a bearish momentum. So first, coming on to the bullish momentum, if we see a reversal and the market closing above this particular resistance area, or the market closing above some around 1861, that would be an indicator that we will see a more bullish momentum into the market. Thus our entry to the point for long position would be some around 1862, with our stop losses just placed some around 1844, with our take profit of this particular resistance area, which would be some around 1897. This trade will give an risk to reward of approx 1 ratio 1.2. Now coming on to the bearish scenario, if we see that the market did close below this particular red support zone, or the market closing below 1810, that would trigger a more bearish momentum into the market, and our stop loss for our sale would be placed some around 1832, with our entry to go point of some around 1810, or 1808 with our take profit of some around 1769. This trade will give an extra reward of approx 1:1.2. Now the final verdict is that we would be more bullish. Do keep in mind there are rumors in the market, and any movement any moment, if the Democrats announce that we are aggressively increasing the stimulus packages as promised and as expected by the traders, that would skyrocket the prices for the gold. So do keep in mind before selling the gold this factor. If you're new to the channel, so do consider subscribing. If you like the video, do like, share and comment below. Thanks for watching.